Seeing this uh, creating ebook. Hey everyone, today we are going to review high ticket PDF profit, world first AI system that pays us uploading PDF file online. 30-second PDF file turn my phone into the 1000 day cash machine. Uh, this is the
Verified you're not a robot,
some of the
so
detail
you're all good to
video.
go. Now, let me tell you something. You have no idea how lucky you are to have landed on this page today. What I'm about to share with you is so powerful, so under the radar, that once you see it, you'll realize this could be the easiest way to earn money online that you've ever come across. So, treat this video like it's pure gold. Imagine you've just been handed a treasure map, leading you straight to a hidden fortune. Don't click away. Don't tap your screen. Don't even think about closing this page, because this is the kind of opportunity most people will never get to see. Now let me set the record straight. If you're here expecting to become a millionaire overnight or to buy a fleet of Lamborghinis next week, this isn't for you. But if you'd like to make $1,000 over and over again in high-ticket commissions by doing something so simple it almost feels unfair, then keep watching, because this might just change your life. Right now, people from all walks of life are quietly earning high-ticket commissions from home simply by uploading PDFs to a little-known, hidden-in-plain-sight website. This website then gives these PDFs away for free, and in turn, we get paid high-ticket commissions. That's it. Upload a PDF, give it away for free, and we get paid $1,000 every single time. And the craziest part? You don't even need to create the PDFs yourself. The files you need are already done for you. You don't need to write a single word, and you definitely don't need to be
Basically, this software help you to create PDF, high quality PDF ebook, which you can integrate your affiliate link or your shop link and upload this high ticket PDF uploading platform. People access the PDF from there as per their requirement, and they will purchase from your affiliate link, and you will make profit. This is one of the good tool which you can use and create high ticket PDF, which you can really turn into the profit. So if you want to give away for your audience or this for no barrier offer, so this tool is will really help you to create high ticket ebook, which really turn into the thousand of cash daily basis. There is a $17 fronted price. You can access the for from the fronted price, and they also offer 180 days back money back guarantee. If you don't satisfied with the purchase, you can simply ask them to refund. This is one of the good tool to make p ebook in PDF format for your audiences, any niche, in any niche for any format. You can create PDF